Hello, brothers and sisters. We'll stay. Okay, I did a video earlier, and I shot 200 rounds through each gun, and the polymer, it's never jammed on me, and it was having difficulty. It has nothing to do with the gun. The clip that I was using are these two right here, and the one clip I marked it now. This is the used clip that came with this gun. I bought this gun used, replaced the barrel, but I think the problem with the barrel wasn't because it was a precision barrel. I think it was dirty. I think it needs clean. And the same with this clip. I think if I clean that clip, it'd be good. But he's been shooting these. The gentleman I got it from was shooting these through it. You do not want to shoot these gold-plated babies at all in a Barra. Okay, so I wanted to shoot him again. I got 100 rounds, 200 rounds in this one. This is the steel. And then I'll shoot 100 rounds in the polymer because I'm going to use the two steel clips that they give you. So let's do that. Well, let's make sure this is all ready to go. Let's turn this on. Okay, we'll turn on the peep sight, the red dot. Okay, let's do this again. Go around here. Now, you lose babies with these junk ones. Or not junk, but with the aftermarket 100 round clips, you don't have the rod to push them up all the way. Okay, another 100 rounds. Nice. Boy, this gun is heavy. Whoa. Yeah, rub that. Okay. Oh. Oh. Always turn the safety on. Oh. Because they'll keep firing. If you got something in there. Okay. Got that. And that. See how that rod sticks up? That means it takes all the babies right out. This is cool. Yeah. Okay, that was 300 rounds. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with both of them actually. Yep. This is the polymer, and that's the steel. I don't know if you can see it now, but just so you got to see him shoot again. But oh, boy, this guy's heavy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with them. I really like them. I'm going to buy the precision barrels for both of them, or at least I want to. When I get shooting them, I'll be able to show the difference between the precision barrels in them and the standard barrels. And the standard barrels are just so you can shoot a more junkier BB, basically, all around variety of BBs. Where the standard ones, you're going to want to buy the Barra BBs. Which are these? They recommend these guys, so if you're going to go to the precision barrel, you're going to want to shoot these from Barra. Okay. Well, this will be another short one. And just so I could show them off again, just to let you know, this gun was not screwed up. It's the clip that's over here. It might need clean from the gentleman, not for sure. But yeah. Okay. Amen. God bless you and your family, right? All right. Y'all have a safe and good Christmas. Okay.